What can you see? Bingo! What happened? Did you notice it? Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, I am Spriha from Office. Today I am here with another interesting science experiment. So, what are we doing today? A science experiment! So, the required accessories for doing this experiment are an empty plate, a candle, matchbox, and an empty glass. So let's start. You please move aside. So let's start. At first we need water. We have to fill the plate. This much is empty. And now we will color this one. It's optional for this experiment. And this coloring need to make it focus to you guys. Okay, that is enough. Okay, now we will take the candle and we will light it up. Okay. From last video, we knew that fire needs oxygen to light up. And from the last experiment, we knew that fire needs oxygen to light up. And when I kept the glass, the fire was vanished. And now let's see what happens from this experiment. This is an empty glass like the previous one, and I will place this glass into the plate in this way. What can you see? Bingo! What happened? Did you notice it? So what happened? Why did it happen? Because steam uses up the oxygen in the cup, creates a low pressure. Atmospheric pressure then tries to force its way in. Because the water at the base of the cup has created an airtight seal. The pressure difference between the inside and outside of the cup causes the water to raise until pressure is equal to the pressure outside. That's why the water raised upwards. Thanks for watching.